How do you make sense of a market that's battling with inflation, rising rates, and a potentially slowing economy with the potentially steepest yield curve in 7.5 years? Joining us now, Kim Forrest is the Chief Investment Officer at Bokeh Capital Partners, and CNBC contributor Gina Sanchez is Chief Market Strategist at Lido Advisors. Welcome to both of you. Kim, your thoughts, please.
Wow. If I had to sum it up, I would just say it's complicated. But, right? The big question earlier this week was, are we in a recession? And I think the jobs number really answered that today as no, we are not in a recession. That doesn't tell us if we're going into a recession, and that's what's making investors super nervous.
Where are you, Kim, in the market? I know in the past we've talked thematic like 5G or sort of long-term and secular potential, but it feels like right now all all investors want is show me a strong, durable business model.
Right. Well, I mean, I think that's a seasonless question for me. I don't care where we are. I want companies with real balance sheets, real profits, and real cash flow. So my style of investing hasn't changed a bit. I still look for growth. I don't care. I need growth. Wall Street rewards growth, but I need real companies. So I'm not really sweating right now. Again, I'm long-term, 3 to 5 years out, and I'm still playing really long-term kind of technology changes, and that would still be 5G. And even though it's been like rough for the short term, my long-term optimism has not changed one whit.
Yeah, you're sticking with the semis, AMD, for instance, here. Gina, what about you?
Right.
Well, I completely agree with Kim. I think that this is a market for quality right now. And if anything, what the data is telling us is that, demand is hanging in there. If demand were cratering, we would have seen a much weaker jobs market. We also would have seen oil dropping. And oil is actually still sort of hovering. But the good news is it's no longer got the momentum. And that is great news for kind of the concerns around stagflation. The jobs numbers came in just mixed enough that it was good for the economy, but possibly, could set up an opportunity for the Fed to take a step back later in the year if inflation starts to subside. And I agree that you're playing for quality, for balance sheet, for revenue, for profitability, for cash flow.
Are you in any of the semiconductor names, Gina, or in technology, or are you in other parts of the market more?
We are, actually. The cloud is a big component is a big theme for Lido Advisors right now. So we're playing the cloud from the semi space, things like NVIDIA. We're playing the cloud from the direct space like Microsoft and Amazon. There's a lot of ways to play that, and we think that that's a durable theme that's not going to go away because we happen to have, some economic volatility.
All right, Kim, let me ask you. I was struck this week when Stephanie Link said she was selling her Broadcom. And I think it was AMD in particular. She cited the trading behavior after what she called a very good earnings report, and the stock was really muted in response. There are growing concerns about the double and triple ordering that kind of got semis up to where they were and that coming home to roost. So Sure. What would you say in response to that?
Well, I think that the overall drivers, cloud is a big one. Internet of Things, and just more and more smart whatevers. Your car is unbelievably smart. I think that probably at the beginning of COVID, we were all caught about how unprepared we were for any kind of downturn. And I think that companies are going to have a higher, or depend less on just-in-time ordering. So I'm not particularly worried about double and triple ordering. I think that, inventory is going to be higher, and that takes care of that. Plus the demand. I just see the demand for semiconductors exploding for the next 3 to 5 years because of these larger term trends. So I'm not at all worried that somehow we've over-ordered and it's just going to, completely compress like it did in 2006.